Hello everyone. This may be the dumbest thing I've ever done. So I've had two masks here, one old, one new, fog on recent dives. And this is Old Faithful, man. I've had it for about 12 years, so I don't understand why it's starting to fog. It could be different conditions in the water. There's a lot of humidity where I'm at living now. This mask, brand new, about a year old. I've done everything in the world to get it to quit defogging. The stupidest thing that I'm about to do is use a lighter to try to clean the inside of the lenses. I'm going to try it on the old and the new. Blacken it up. It says it burns off the silicone on the inside of the lens. I understand that's what's kind of, when they manufacture these, the silicone, gets on the glass, the tempered glass, and that's why you can't clean it very well. So I want to see if this works, and let's hope that I don't damage my mask. If so, I'm an idiot. It does blacken a little bit. You can actually kind of smell the silicone as it burns off. You can kind of see it. Hopefully it's picking it up in the video. And my deal's about to go out. So you can kind of see the black in there on the inside of the lens. Let me grab another torch here. All right, I'm back again. Sorry about that. All right, let's try that on the old one, and let's see what it does. See if it does the same thing. It actually does. So I don't know if that's actually burning off silicone or if that's something else that's on the mask. Give this a little bit more cleaning. Let's see what that does for it. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean these up. Use a little bit of soapy water and everything. Wash these guys out, and then I'm going to do a follow-up video on how they fog in the water. See, hopefully they don't fog anymore. Thanks for watching.